Good evening to one and all present here. I'm Anand. I'm working as an application engineer in Simtek Technologies, Chennai. I'm going to take a webinar on SOLIDWORKS Composer. Let's get into that topic. Now, a composer. Composer is basically a Dassault Systems product. It is used to make some technical communication between with persons inside your organization. Let's get into the PPT. So today's agenda of this PPT is going to be what is a technical communication, then what is a traditional technical documentation process, then what's wrong in that, then what are the process involved in the creation of technical documentation traditional process, and what are the challenges faced during the creation of the traditional technical documentation, then what is a composer, then overview of the composer, and you will see a live demo. At last, you will have a question and answer session. Okay. What is a technical communication? It is nothing but to communicate the things to other person technically in an understandable manner. So you can create the communication about technical or specified topics, communicating by technology, providing some instruction about how to do something. Then what is a technical communication stakeholder? Is nothing but the persons who used to communicate technically inside your organization. As mentioned, most of the departments inside your organization may communicate technically, like management, manufacturing unit, technical publication, trainings, marketing, sales, customer support, engineering, all such kind of things can use technical communication to communicate with the other persons inside your organization. After what are all the types of deliverables available in technical communication? As you see in this PPT, these are the types of deliverables available in technical communications, such as assembly instructions, product manuals, marketing collateral, owner's manual, maintenance manual, sales tools, installation instruction. These kind of things can be used as a technical communication between the persons inside your organization. Then, what is the traditional technical documentation? Here are some sample images of user manuals that are created using a traditional technical documentation method. These are the sample images of user manuals. Here are some sample images of assembly instruction manuals too. These are the sample images. See, from here you can notice that the image and the instruction is not as clear to other person to understand. It contains no much informations. See, you can see that a bill of materials is available in another page, and the instruction is available in another page. You have to look at the instruction and go to the bill of material, and then you should practice the things. For this, there are some challenges also faced in the creation of traditional technical documentation method. First of all, you should create your 3D model using your 3D CAD software. Then you want to image capture it. And after capturing the image, you should do the modification in the image. After doing that modification, you want to make the publishing arrangement in Word document, either in PPT or in Publisher, etc. Then as a final output, you can take a PDF, such kind of things. Involving in these steps acquire some certain amount of time. What if the design changes? If the design changes, you should follow these steps from the starting again. You have to product design again, you have to image capture again, you have to image modification again, you have to publish arrangement the things you want again, and output also you should take it again. it consumes more time. For these kind of challenges, there is a solution in SolidWorks Composer. Let's see into it. What is a SolidWorks Composer? SolidWorks Composer is basically a 3D tool which is used to deliver the technical information of a 3D product in assembly instructions, product manuals, training materials, marketing collateral, this kind of things you can do in SolidWorks Composer. Let's see what are the benefits of using SolidWorks Composer. Actually, the benefits, it decreases the cost and time to market of your product. Uh, Likewise, and increase customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is important to every industries who manufacture the product, and it also help us to improve our communication both technically, visually, in an understandable manner. Then it helps us to work more efficiently. These are some sample images of owner's manual that are created from SolidWorks Composer. This images looks somewhat clear, and the information they are coming to convey is conveyed in a proper manner. These are some assembly instruction sample images that are created from SolidWorks Composer. And these are some maintenance and repair manuals that are created in SolidWorks Composers. What is the workflow? In workflow is very easy in Composer. First of all, you have to design a model in your 3D CAD software and save that model using Save As option into .smg XML file extension. Then after saving it, you can import that .smg XML file extension as a file into the SolidWorks Composer software. After importing the model, you can set the desired view according to which view your model is going to be portrayed, and then you can capture those views and save it as an image, and you can use it in technical illustration, user manual, sales marketing, assembly instruction, whatever the documents you are going to publish, you can use those images in that manner. Next, using SolidWorks Composer, what kind of things, features we can get? We can create exploded views. We can create vector graphics and raster graphics. We can create a high resolution images of your product. We can create shaded illustrations, interactive bill of materials, silhouette wireframes and flat renderings, interactive storyboards, and video animation as well. It can be done quickly, easily, and can be done by anyone. These this is some video reference of how the model is created in design CAD software and then imported into the SolidWorks Composer, and how the images are captured and used inside your technical documentations. First of all, let's see. This is the design that is created in SolidWorks 3D CAD software. After creating it, this file should be saved as .smg, as I mentioned before. As I mentioned before, by using .smg XML file extension. Then after saving it, you can import in a SolidWorks Composer software. After you're importing, you can notice that the feature, what are the parts available in the assembly inside, it will be integrated automatically. Yeah, this what shows here the products available inside the assembly. And also you can select a particular part, and you can also view the meta properties of the product in the property manager of SolidWorks Composer. It also integrates automatically when you import the 3D CAD model into the SolidWorks Composer. And again, you should set the view. For set the view, there is an option called align camera. Using that align camera option, you should set the views according to your desired. After setting the view, you can use camera. That views option, you can see like three dots available in there. The three dots, there are options like capture view, camera view, update view. So they started with the camera view. They captured this view as a view one. And then with this image, they are modification the views. Like they are selecting the whole parts of that model and changing the color of the whole part. You can also change the color. And then by selecting that particular part, you can change the color of that particular part also. Then the detailed view also can be captured using digger tool, and it is captured as a separate view, that is view 2. Now they are selecting all such kind of fasteners, and just by dragging them you can explode. Now they are creating the path from where the fasteners are getting removed. Then you can select that different kind of objects and you can explode them as well. And they are capturing it as a view 3. Now going to workshop, you have image library, model browser. In image library, what kind of company that Allen keys are used, the symbol of the Allen key can be also inserted. After inserting these kind of images, this is a model library which is available inside the SolidWorks Composer. After inserting it, they are labeling it. It also labels which is the part is selected. It automatically takes the meta properties as the labeling parts. You can also alter it, color it, and you can use a different style of labeling part. All such kind of things are available in the SolidWorks Composer. Then these are some sample files that are created using SolidWorks Composer. Let's look into it. See how they are exploring things using arrows, pointing it, labeling it, adding callouts, using digger tools to view the detailed view. Using these models, you can publish it as, use it as in a Word file, Publisher, and PowerPoint as well. Then you can also capture the different orientations of view. You can use the views in assembly instruction, likewise like this as shown in this PPT. All such kind of things you can do. This is the image captured using different orientation of the project. Then you can export the views as JPG, PMP, TIFF file, PNG in all such kind formats. Now, how they are saving those images and using it in a Word document, selecting all images, link, insert, and link the images to that file. The views get inserted automatically. What if now they are changing something in the model? So how can it be updated automatically? See, in this view, that V twin is added additionally and updated, and it is also saved. So after saving this, there is an option called update the model in SolidWorks Composer. By selecting that model, your views also gets updated, and after the views gets updated, you will save those views and insert to links. After you save those images inside a local disk, the automatically the Word files also gets updated. See, you can notice before this V-twin is not available. After updating the views, you can see the V-twin is available. It saves much time. You can also take the views of a particular section of the product or assembly, like this X-ray model, exploded models, changing the color, changing the orientation of the view. All such kind of things can be done in SolidWorks Composer. Now they are selecting a particular model and just using a translate and explode option. They are exploding the things as they required. We can also differentiate the space between the explosion, and they also created some callouts, and bill of materials also can be created manually or automatically. Then, what is the importance of content in today's world? A picture is worth 1,000 words. Video speaks louder than pictures. Interactive animation is flashier than video. What uh, what's the way you're conveying the thing is more important in today's world? How you are going to present the information? Uh, it should be understandable and it should be also interactive, and it should deliver more information regarding technically. Then after this, this is how the model that is created in SolidWorks and imported in SolidWorks Composer can be used in this PPT slide. I've just created a model and do such kind of things in SolidWorks Composer, and I just imported in a PPT. See, you can have this buttons, you can have this what you're going to do as a text. But see here, you can notice something. It's highlighting with the which part I place my mouse. It's so interactive as well, no? Like this, we can do using this composer. It will be technically more understandable to any other person who sees this. See now, by pressing this next button, what is this? Cylinder removal instruction. By placing this next button, see what's happening. How to remove this extended pin from where. It's also having the text or description like remove expander pins. Then what is next? You should retract the cylinder in this position like mentioned in the arrow. If next, lower the cylinder to clear guard. If I press next, how to remove the lower expander pins, and then how next remove the cylinder from this component. So it looks very easy to understand things to any persons, no? So these kind of things also we can do in SolidWorks Composer. What if? So this is the main thing I came to say about the SolidWorks Composer. You can do images, capturing images according to your own orientation, create an exploded view. You can differentiate parts inside that assembly. You can add labels, call outs, bill of materials. Um, these kind of things we can do in Composer, and it will also be easy to communicate technically within the person of your own organization, and it reduces the rework of the process of technical documentation. If the design changes, it reduces the time as well as the cost, everything. So it will be a perfect solution for many industries nowadays. And thank you so much. To contact us, use the address and call numbers, mail IDs that are mentioned in this PPT. Thank you.
Team, it's been a wonderful session. Uh, very thank you for everyone who joined the session and attended. So it's been a great. I totally believe it will be a great session for you guys too. So I just want to conclude this meeting with one insight. Okay, so if you guys want to know even more about SolidWorks, I encourage you to check our website. So it is simtek.in. You can search us. It's very easy. So please come to us. Okay, so you can see uh, all the products which we are selling, and what are the products in SolidWorks, and what are the cloud products available, what are the services we are into, and what are the certifications. If you are a beginner, or if you are want to pursue any certifications, whatever kind of things, if you know any people who are interested to do certifications, anything, we can help on that front. And also we have a resource tab, so you guys, you can check this out. You have multiple amount of blogs, and ample amount of blogs and simulations in any area: design, manufacturing, sales, marketing. So, and also in 2D also we have blogs for that, and we also have the product brochures and white papers for that. Anytime you are welcome to check all the products we do have for you. It acts like a library. Whatever part, if you want to look for simulation, you can go and check the white papers available in our website. And also, if you want to check your system requirements for the SolidWorks software usage, you're welcome to check through the system requirements. It will definitely show the system requirements which is needed for the particular software. And also, we love to we invite you to check for the events page. We have multiple events happening in this quarter. There are seminars and webinars happening, and sometimes we will be also be part of some trade shows. We'll mention that here. So you're totally welcome to check this out. And we have upcoming webinars for on the month of May and June. You're welcome to register here. It's for free totally. And we do currently have some great offers going on. You can check our offers also here. So thank you once again, guys. I hope the session will be a great insight to you, and we will catch up soon in the next webinar. Have a good day. Bye.